Mr. and Mrs. Paul, I'm pleased to discuss the options for your son, Ryan's, tooth capping. Given the extent of the decay, a dental crown is the most suitable treatment.
What are the different types of dental crowns, Mihira?
The most common materials for crowns are porcelain, metal, and porcelain fused to metal. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Porcelain crowns are aesthetically pleasing but can be more susceptible to chipping. Metal crowns are durable but may not be as aesthetically appealing. Porcelain fused to metal crowns offer a balance of both aesthetics and durability.
How long does the procedure take?
The procedure typically takes 1 or 2 appointments. During the first appointment, we'll prepare the tooth and take an impression for the crown. The crown will then be fabricated in a dental laboratory and fitted during a subsequent appointment.
Mihira, will Ryan need any anesthesia?
Yes, we'll use local anesthesia to numb the area around the tooth. The procedure should be relatively painless.
Mihira, I understand you're experiencing some discomfort, and I want to make sure you feel as comfortable as possible while you're recovering. For managing your symptoms at home, we recommend a few simple steps that can make a big difference. You can certainly take paracetamol as needed to help with any pain or fever you might be experiencing. Applying a warm compress gently over your ear can also provide a lot of soothing relief. It's really important to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids, and getting adequate rest will significantly aid your body's recovery process. These measures should help you feel a bit better as your body heals. Now, there are a couple of things that are crucial to avoid. Please, never insert any objects, like cotton buds or anything else, into your ear canal. This can actually push things further in or cause damage. Also, it's very important not to use any over-the-counter ear drops without first getting approval from your GP, as some drops might worsen certain conditions. We just want to ensure your ear heals properly without any complications. Do you have any concerns about these steps or any questions about what we've discussed?